Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before I begin, I feel obligated to say yes, I did dye my hair. Well, my mom dyed my hair for me. Today's video is just gonna be me showing you guys how I made my son's Easter basket. This was very last minute. Easter's on Sunday, today is Good Friday. So yeah, it's super last minute. I went to the dollar store this morning and I just picked up a whole bunch of things to put in his Easter basket, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, and hopefully try to get this video up as soon as I can since Easter is 2 days away. So if you're interested to see how I did this, what I bought, what mine looks like, or my son's looks like, then just keep on watching. So I literally went to the dollar store. I thought that would be the place where I could find the most inexpensive things, but things that he would still enjoy. My son is going to be 2 in May. Oh my gosh, it's next month. He's going to be 2 next month. That's crazy to me. So I thought I would just get him things that he would enjoy, but that wouldn't, hurt my pocket. I think everything that I got was $6 or less. So, and I got a whole bunch of stuff. So let's get to it. My brother and I were younger. My mom would buy us like these little plastic eggs, and her and my dad would kind of put, I think she did it, my dad probably just watched but she would put stuff in the eggs. Maybe my dad did, I don't know, but they would put stuff in the eggs, mostly candy. Sometimes we would get like money in there, like quarters or $1 or something like that, $5, I don't remember. And either, depending on like the weather, she would hide them outside or she would hide them in the house. And so my brother and I would run around with our little baskets and just kind of like pick up as many eggs as we possibly could. So Sebastian's, like I said, is only 1. He's almost 2. He knows, to pick up things and like things like that, but I don't think that he would completely grasp the idea of, oh, we have to go look for things. So I bought him these eggs, but I don't think that I'm gonna just like hide them. I'm probably just gonna put them out in plain sight and then just be like, oh, go grab it, put it in your basket, like that type of thing. So I bought these. Both of these packs were $1, and I thought these were really cute because they're like little chicks. And I also grabbed them because Sebastian, for whatever reason, has been saying yellow or amarillo to everything, and I'm guessing that's his favorite color right now. So I grabbed these because they're yellow, and I just grabbed these because I thought these looked cute too. So there's 8 in each, so he has a total of 16, which I think is good. But I plan on putting like mini Reese's and mini Snickers and Starbursts in there, and maybe just like in a few of them, maybe a few quarters or something like that, and just put that in his savings account or whatever. So I don't know, I just thought that would be fun. But I also bought this Easter basket. They have different sizes. I went to Dollar General, so they have different sizes at Dollar General. Obviously they're going to be different prices, but I got this medium-sized one because I wanted to be able to fit it with all of his toys, and then for him to be able to put his eggs in there too. So I got this one. I got the one that already has like this thing on it, just because I didn't feel like buying the little wrapping paper that's like curly, and I also thought this one was cute, and I could probably just take this off and use the basket for something else. So this one was only $6. I think this is the most expensive item that I bought out of all of them, and yeah, I thought it was really cute. You'll be able to fit, I mean, it's pretty big. You'll be able to fit all of your toys or whatever that you decide to put in there. I bought him this ball. I was looking for a yellow one because, like I said, he's been pointing out yellow to everything, but I thought this one was cute too. I think this one was like, I want to say $2. So I got him this because he loves throwing balls. He loves kicking balls. And so yeah, there are bigger ones, but I thought, I mean, for him, this is the perfect size, and it looks so cute. It's like and then this one is only $5, and I got him these like little mini like Nerf gun type of things. I also saw this like squishy toy, and again, it's yellow. I thought it was a minion at first, but it's just a little chick with overalls, and it's really cute, and it's one of those like squishy things, and he likes those things, so I got that for him. And this was only $1. I bought him bubbles too. These are scented bubbles apparently, which I didn't know. This one was $1. They had a whole bunch of different ones, but I mean, I figured this one's yellow, this one's big enough for him. He'll enjoy this one, so I just got him the dollar one. I think there's only 2 things left. I didn't go crazy because he is just 2 years old. I didn't get a very big basket. I'll probably get him a bigger basket as he gets older. I got him this like Crayola dough. It's supposed to be like Play-Doh, I guess. This was only $1, again, yellow. And I got him a blue one too. I actually also ordered him some puzzles off of Amazon. They were only $5 and it was like this little pack like this, and it came with like 4 puzzles. But he saw those this morning and he pointed at them and I was like, fine. So I gave it to him. Let me take all this stuff out. And I'm just gonna put this one back here like that. And then maybe the ball in the middle like this. And then the bubbles right there. And then put the Play-Doh. Jeez. Right there. And this little squishy thing. Right there. So this is what it looks like. This whole basket was under $17. I mean under $20, and then the eggs for each $1. So that's $19, and then the candy. I think I bought like 3 bags of different candy, and each were $1. Total, I spent $22 on his like little Easter things, which I think it's not that bad. I mean, $25. I feel like if you would have gone anywhere else, you probably could have, you know, it would have been a lot worse. But, you know, for him, he's only 2, so I think that this is good. This is his Easter basket, and you can just arrange it however you like. It's not that expensive. So that was it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I know that this was super short, but I think that that's the best, especially for something that like this, it's going to be last minute. I had fun creating that for like 5 minutes. I hope my son's gonna like it. I think he will. All the things in there are just things that he like really enjoys. He likes playing with Play-Doh. He loves bubbles. He loves balls, and I'm sure he's gonna love the little mini Nerf guns too. So I hope that you guys enjoyed these ideas that I gave you. Like I said, just go to the dollar store. You don't even have to go to Dollar General. Go to Dollar Tree where everything is $1, and I guarantee you, you'll find things like that I had for a lot cheaper. Literally $1 for everything. If I had a Dollar Tree near my house, I probably would have gone there as opposed to the Dollar General, but the Dollar General is just closer to my house, so I just stuck with that. But you know, you can always find inexpensive things to work for you and to just put together really quickly. Thank you guys so much for joining me for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please make sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. And also share if you want. Happy Easter, everybody. Bye. Stay home.